Do you want to add a sniper zoom effect to your Roblox game? Let's set it up step by step. Step 1. Inside Starter Player, go to Starter Player Scripts. Insert a local script. This will control the zoom. Step 2. Add this basic zoom logic. Step 3. Test your game. Hold right-click. Your camera will now zoom in for that sniper effect. Release the zoom out. Optional, add a scope GUI image to your screen for realism when zooming. Just toggle it on, off inside the script. Combine this with your sniper tool for a complete scoped weapon system. And that's how you make a sniper zoom in Roblox Studio. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe and leave us your thoughts in the comments.